So as you can see, we launched up Pumas IDE. This is the page that you are greeted. You have Visual Studio Code running on your browser. You have a welcome page from Judah Hub and from the Visual Studio Code where you can choose your themes and other preference. So let's start to the left. We do have a tooltip here. It's a toolbar. And the first tooltip, it's the Explorer. So this is our Explorer tab. Let's explore it a little bit. Here, it's sort of a file browser. So as you can see, we are inside the folder recordings that I created just for these recordings. And here inside, I can create a new file, create a new folder, or I can also right-click and choose my options here. So suppose I want to create a new file. I click on the New File button. I give this file name a name with an extension. So this is newfile.jl. So that's my Julia file. And you are ready to go. You have it here, so you can start coding. To create a new folder, you can click the New Folder button. Here is my new folder. And as you can see, it's here. I can also create a new file inside this folder. So this is a new file in folder.jl. And I can move around the files in the File Explorer by drag and drop. So I can move outside of the folder. I can move inside of the folder. I can also delete files with the delete, right-click delete, or you can hit the delete keyboard shortcut. This will warn me if I want to permanently delete the file called newfile.jl. Yes, I won't. So that's how you create the files and folders and move them around in your File Explorer. Now, suppose you want to upload files from your local machine. So I'm running Linux. This is my file browser. I have a file here called MyScript. These will work in Windows, Macintosh, and Linux machines. You pretty much drag and drop to your File Explorer, tap, and if you release it, it's going to upload. It's already uploaded my MyScript file. So it's here. And this is the file that I have in my local machine. I can do this with all sorts of files, not only Julia scripts. I can do this with data, with images, Excel files, anything. I can also download files from my Julia Cloud, Julia Hub, to my local machine with the right click and hit the download button. This will download. So it triggered a browser download here. It downloaded to my to the default browser location download folders. I can also download a full folder if I want to. I can right-click a folder, go into the download, and this will choose where I want to download this folder. So as you can see, it downloads the whole folder.